Wagwan family, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to make authentic Jamaican Gungo Peas and Rice. First and foremost, big up Father God out here. Now I'm going to show you all the ingredients I'm going to use to make the Gungo Peas and Rice. So this the peas I'm going to use. Here, I'm going to use some fresh thyme. I'm going to use some scallions, some garlic, 2 pepper. Here I'm going to use some salt for the sodium, some pimento berries. Rice I'm going to use jasmine rice, and here I'm going to use 1 coconut. So this the pot I'm going to cook the gungo peas and rice in. So I'm going to add 6 cups of water, and each one of this is 2 cups. So that's 4 cups, 6 cups. Now I'm going to turn on the stove. So now I'm going to wash the peas before I add it to the pot. So this is 1 cup, a cup and a half peas, I'm going to add the peas to the pot. Going to add pimentos, 5 cubes of garlic. Going to cover it up and allow them to cook for 25 minutes. Okay, see what's going on here. Now the peas them almost cook. So now I'm going to blend the coconut. Going to cover it up. Going to break the coconut. Now I'm just going to cut up the coconut just for the blender could blend it easily. So I don't need to cut it in a specific way. So this is how I want it to look. Now I'm just going to rinse them off with some cold water. In the blender, I have 2.5 cups of water. So I'm just going to blend the coconut now. Alright, that is it. Now I'm going to strain the coconut milk. So I'm just going to squeeze it out. So this is all the coconut milk me get from the coconut. So now I'm going to add the coconut milk. Give it a stir. Now I'm going to cover it up and allow it to come to a boil. So now the pot come to a boil. I'm going to add the scallion and thyme and pepper to it now. So for the scallions, I'm just going to beat them like this. Tenderize them for them to release the flavor. Just like this. Now I'm going to add the scallions, the thyme, the peppers. Now I'm going to add salt to taste, okay? Give it a stir. Now I'm going to cover it up and allow it to cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I'm going to wash the rice and add it to it. Now remember, each one of this is 2 cups, okay? So we need to fold this rice 3 times. Remember, we have 6 cups of peas water in the pot. That's 2. This is 4 cups. 6 cups. And we're washing the rice until the water comes clear, okay? Now I'm adding the rice. Going to stir it. Now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of butter. Now I'm going to cover it up for it to come to a fully boil. Okay, now that it come to a fully boil, we're going to turn down the stove on low. So I'm going to cover it up for 10 minutes for it to steam. After 10 minutes, I'm going to come and fluff it. Okay, so now I'm going to fluff the rice. Before I fluff the rice, I'm going to take out the peppers them. Be careful if you're using a fork in a non-stick pot. Try not to scratch the pot with the fork, okay? So you just want to fluff it. See it filling up the pot. Going to pick out the scallions and thyme. Remember, rice take 15 minutes to steam. So now I'm going to cover it up and allow it to steam for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, the rice is ready to serve, okay? I'm just going to cover it up for 5 more minutes. Okay, so the rice finished steam. I'm going to turn off the stove. And look at this, my people. See how shelly this is? See how nice and shelly this is, my people? Rice steamed to perfection. So I'm just going to make me a plate. Okay, my people, look at this. So I'm going for a taste test. This is so good, my people. Let me know in the comment section, what would you eat this rice with? And also, please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I have a lot more recipe to share with you all. Peace out.
Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice. Yeah, the food is nice. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Yeah, Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice.